Okay, so we see over here that here's the prices, some of the pricing. Okay, extraction is 900 baht. Choose oral examination is 300, medication 250, teeth whitening 10,000. That's kind of high actually. That's almost $300. Where's the cleaning fluoride, yada yada yada. So it says start 900. So I don't know. They charged me 1200. So we see here we have an X-ray was 150. Then the cleaning was for gingivitis, whatever, and disinfected sterilization fees 150, and then 1200. Okay, very very nice, very very sweet people. X-ray was 150. That's literally insane. Now they basically did it in the chair. I would have took videos, but not very nice too. And we're in the Exchange Tower, so I'll show you where we're at. There's Moss Dentals all over the place. My buddy told me it says 900, but you know what? I've been putting this off for like so many years. What do we have over here? Stanford University. On the dry cleaning here. Let me see how much the dry cleaning is. I paid. Oh wait, I don't know. This is dry cleaning. This is jewelry clinic. Okay, I don't know what that is. Professional. Oh, they do free delivery. Alright, I have things to do right now, so. Foreign, Sukhumvit Asok Thai Language School, teaching Thai to foreigners. Maybe we'll check that out one of these days. Fine, so here's the initial floor you come into. Actually, it probably could have came out from down below. I'm all over the place, I don't know. It's Erev Pesach. It's about 2:30. I need to find a haircut. International University of Stanford. Fine, so this is the Exchange Tower. It's right by the Asok BTS, if you have to come do that. But again, there's a bunch of mosses, M-O-S. There's a bunch of moss dentists all over the place. So, laundry place. Now, my laundry's not going to be done. My dry cleaning's not going to be done till 5. So this is the Exchange Tower. This is what it looks like outside. Okay, zoom out a little bit. And literally right by the Asok. You see the stairs right here? That goes to the Asok BTS is around here somewhere. No, I'm sorry. Not here. You have to go up and you have to go over. So then it's Terminal 21 right over there. Let's zoom a little bit. So over here is Terminal 21. And then the street here is Soy 16. This way, I forgot what it's called in Thai. And Asok Montri is the other way. So you kind of know where you're at. But yeah, so here we go. You need to come to the stairs and go in. There's like another stairway to go in. Like downstairs. I don't know. I kind of came in through here though. And this is Sukhumvit. Soy Sukhumvit. Anyway, took me no time to get in. Like I went there. See that? Exchange Tower, Moss Dental Clinic, bottom floor. Very nice people, very gentle. You know, no problems. I'll tell you guys and gals, I haven't had a dental cleaning in a very long time. I don't know. I'm kind of embarrassed to say how long it's been, but it's been a long time. And actually, a little nervous for some reason. I don't know why. I don't think I usually get that way. And a cop, advantage. We're taking a walk down the Sukhumvit. We're gonna go. I don't know where we're gonna go. I'm trying to think. I usually go for a haircut by Bangladesh, but I don't have patience to go there now. It's already 2:30 almost. I want to kind of get back to the pad. I'm gonna go down here by the way, just cut out a little bit of traffic. I'm sure there's a bunch of haircut places here. There's some places not far from the house, from my apartment. What am I saying? I'm thinking a hotel. My hotel is not. I saw one for 120 baht. You know what? Forget about it. If I would have had to wait, I was going to go across the street into the little mini mall by the MRT. There's a place I did it last time over here. It was 150 baht. I've been talking to my friend. It's not baht, it's baht. Anyway, forget about it. They're selling suits. Women's 2 suits, 2 blouse, 2 scarves. Men's 2 suits, 3 shirts, 1 tie, $299. I don't know. Not sure what's what around here. I'm not gonna do that. Anyway, what was I saying? So yeah, fine. It's 1,200 baht. I don't have my other phone on me, but let's just go with about 30 bucks per 30 US per 1,000. It's actually a little bit less. Might be 28 by now. I don't remember. 28, 30. Let's just go on. It's 30. So maybe $35 for the cleaning, and then it was 45 bucks. I charged you sterilization fee or something. Give me a break. Whatever it is, what it is. What are you gonna do? It's like $4, for the cleaning fee. But what gets me is it was only maybe $4. Oh, look at that. Haircut, 100 baht, but looks like they're closed. They're closed. Let's see. Should I go in? Oh, no, open. Oh, okay. Hello. Swadika. Okay, we're gonna get our hair cut real quick over here. Anyway, so yeah, about $40-something between everything. Okay, we'll come back later after this haircut over here. Very nice place I just found.